You heard of ROYALQ AI? If you haven't, you're probably one of those missing out, and you need to listen to this right away. Let me tell you about it right now. ROYALQ is one of the new revolutionary AI trading robots that literally makes you money whilst you sleep. Yes, I know you've heard stuff like this before, but this one actually has more than 1.6 million people worldwide already using it without any complaints and are totally excited by it. So if you haven't heard about it till now, chances are you know someone or some people who do, but they're keeping it a secret from you because they're making a lot of money silently and don't want it to stop or give you their current edge over you. Like I said, ROYALQ AI Robot is an automated crypto portfolio building and trading robot that trades for you 24/7, 365 days a year, all day, every day, and can also help you compound your funds and income over a short space of time. OBM made $200,000 in 28 months. Dr. Money made over $100,000 in 18 months. KK Success made $50,000 in 10 months. Tom H made over $35,000 in just a few months also. And these are regular people just like you. And I want to show you how you can make yours too and better. And this can be fast or slow, it all depends on you. It won't take too much of your time because, as they say, success loves speed. So let's dive straight in and pre-qualify you by asking a few short questions before we let you in or invite you to join our inner circle group. Please answer the following questions. 1. Are you between the age of 18 to 65 years old? 2. Do you have a minimum of $100 to $500 or more to use for your trades? Hard to believe it, but the robot does not make losses, but instead uses its algorithms to buy more and sell with higher profit margins. Amazing, right? What's more amazing is your money stays in your wallet, and you do not need to send your money to anyone, and that means total security